1, 2, 3!
Hey everybody, Reality Mike here, coming to you from my front yard where we just had a brand new drain field installed for our septic tank. And stay tuned because we're going to give you some pro tips on maintenance and making it last. This particular one, 60 years. That's a long time. 1965 to today. Boo, whoop. Holy pile of dirt, Batman. And new drain field. Look at that. All right, Eric. Eric's just going to tell us how the system works. So, Eric,
what you have is this is a main bathroom. You got the main line coming out of the house into the front of the septic tank,
right?
Which is the inlet side. And then it comes out on the outlet side, which is here. This is the outlet line.
So this is the tank on this side.
Every time you flush a gallon,
a
gallon comes out.
Okay.
You take a shower, use 5 gallons, 5 gallons come out. And then it comes out, it follows this line to the center of the manifold, and it goes into the manifold and it evenly distributes into the drain field, which holds the water till the ground takes it.
Perfect.
And now I'm going to cover it up.
Nice, and that's it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Baby hits 88 miles per hour. You're gonna see some serious shit.
My son Chandler. Wow, he's done. Just about. Adios. Look at that. Bada bing, bada bang. That's 12 minutes. definitely within 15 minutes, because it took me about 3 minutes to get up here, and he was already on a mission. Good job, Eric, and the team. It's a team effort. It always is a team effort. And that is one for the history books, folks. Boo! Whoop! There we go.
The inlet line comes from the house to the tank.
Yep.
Then the outlet line's 3 inches lower, and this goes to the drain field.
And it's just the series of tubes that it goes into and dissipates, or...
Yeah, and this side has what's called an outlet baffle with a pipe that goes to the center of the tank. What it is all the paper and crap comes in, floats on the top, breaks down, and all sinks to the bottom. Then over the years, it just builds up. All the sludge builds up, and if it gets too high, this sludge will go up this pipe and out into the drain field and ruin the drain field.
Okay.
So the cleanest fluid's in the center of the tank, and that's what comes up and out into the drain field.
Gotcha.
That's why you should pump it every 2 to 3 years. Just maintain it. Just like changing the oil in your car. The more you do it, the better you are.
The better you are. So and that makes a lot of sense. So, and I think that's probably a lot of mistakes that people make is because I didn't know that information. So I just would pump it whenever it started to back up in the house, right?
Right.
And in the beginning, it didn't happen until the first 10 years. And then after that, then it started happening every 5 years, right? And then it started happening every month.
Every month.
And then
then
I knew I was
week,
in trouble.
yeah.
But maybe if I would have followed that advice and did it consistently every 2 years, then I wouldn't have had that problem.
Or you'd still have that issue,
Yeah.
but it would be a lot longer.
Yeah. But 1965 to now, that's a long time.
You've done
For
good. Usually 25, 30 years.
Right.
It's the life of the system.
Right. Okay, I really appreciate it, Eric. Thank you very
problem.
much. And we'll see you the next time. Or in another 50 years, maybe. And thank you to everybody, right?
Have a good one.
Thank you. Okay, everybody. And in closing, I just want to give a big shout out to Danny's Septic. And this is not a paid advertisement. So if you're in South Florida, they're the ones. From Laura in the office to Eric in that ballet dance he did out here in the Bobcat. And if I slow that video down, it's just amazing how fast and efficient he is. But to the whole team, I really appreciate everybody, and that's really from the bottom of my heart. So I hope everybody liked this video. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you the next time. Probably how to plant grass. This grass. Come on, get your head out of there. Boo, whoop. Reality Mike here.